Hey.
This is not my video.
Hey.
It's your video.
What's going on? What are you doing right now?
I'm gonna get a haircut.
Yes. Okay, go get your jacket because it's cold out here.
What is that?
It's right there, the blue one, your Ariel one.
Ah.
Oh, be careful. Okay, ready? Let's go. And then where are we going after?
We're going after for church, and now we're going Disneyland.
Yes. Okay, ready? Let's go to you get your place. This way, look at. Are you ready, baby? You really gonna cut your hair? Huh, princess? Let me see. My goodness, are you ready? Are you excited? What do you think, baby?
Like it?
You like it?
Right here. See it? Yeah? Alright. You're all set.
There's your new hair. Let me see. My goodness.
Alright.
What do you say?
You're welcome, sweetie.
Let me see. Turn around. Spin around so I can see. Oh my goodness. Okay. Kyla got her hair cut.
No, I can't.
Oh. Here comes Kyla with her new haircut.
No.
Oh, okay, sorry. What do I say? Kyla's here. Oh, okay. Okay, Kyla's here with her new haircut. Oh my goodness. Look, look at that. You love it? Can I put your hair back on? No? Okay. Let me see big smiles. How happy you are.
I'm excited.
You're so excited? You ready to go now?
Yeah. Can you look at me, Don, Mom?
Yeah.
You do that? I went to Kid's haircut.
Kids haircut?
Yeah?
Where are you going now?
To McDonald's in Disneyland.
Bye.
Bye.
No, Auntie's leaving, Princess.
Oh.
What are you doing now? You're gonna go.
I'm going to Disneyland and I'm getting McDonald's. My hair sounds like chocolate.
Like chocolate?
My hair smells like chocolate.
Chocolate? Did they use chocolate shampoo?
Yeah?
They did?
Yeah. That's what the smell looks like. For the flies doesn't come to India anymore.
Oh.
The flyaways, Mom. Mom.
What?
The flyaway, so the flyaways don't. It's like a gel.
Oh.
And that she told her it's for the flyaways.
Oh.
So she thinks it's so the flies don't go in her hair.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.